The Fat Shrinking Signal by Derek Waller is a 29-day flat stomach formula guide that shows users a 10-minute technique that they can use on a daily basis to help them eliminate 15 pounds. The program consists mostly of workout videos that you can do at home without equipment. Derek Waller Fat Shrinking Signal System is all about helping users losing weight and lose belly fat by beating leptin resistance. There are many companies that have come out with weight loss formulas and diet solutions, but Fat Shrinking Signal deals with this weight in a different way. The guidance offered in Fat Shrinking Signal shows you how to shut off the body's resistance to leptin so that you can actually be productive in your weight loss efforts. The process doesn't take more than a few weeks to start working with up to a pound lost daily for the first week. The key to much of this program is a unique slimming system called dynamic activation training, which makes weight loss as easy as tying your shoes. This program will work for any physical condition, and it can be used at any age. You will learn how to reverse the issue and improve the way that the body burns through fat. Get it now. Official link given in the description.